Punching it right now, punching it. 7,000 RPM red line.
Yeah.
That was a long first gear. What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. We're gonna get right into it today. I just want to take it a second and say I hope everyone is doing well out there, staying safe, doing your part. Without further ado, we're gonna get right into this point of view drive of the S15. If you guys want to see the full video on this car, it is the last video I posted, so go check out that on my channel. And if you aren't, please hit that subscribe button, throw this video a thumbs up, enjoy the video. Oh man, alright. Time for me to drive this beast.
150 horsepower, can you handle it?
150 horsepower. Alright. Alright, climbing in the seat of the S15. Door feels good, so it looks like the door handle, same from the GTR pretty much. All the buttons and stuff, same from the GTR.
Low-key GTR.
Yeah. Back seat, small. Good luck fitting a car seat back there.
Sorry.
Let's do this. So,
if she ever does end up watching this, I'm sorry. I apologize in advance.
oh, you hold that. I'm not gonna use that.
Oh yeah, you get to open the door. Oh no, actually no.
I do? Oh, I didn't pinch it.
Oh, no, you get it. Sometimes I always have to.
No. Does this move? No?
No.
Good thing that it's automatic. You know I'm gonna have to put like a black and white and like a sad face for like the automatic.
Oh yeah, go ahead. Put a song on it too.
100% am. But hey, it's an S15, so all the haters out there that are like, oh, it's automatic, non-turbo, I don't see you in an S15.
Yeah.
So, you know, it doesn't matter. At least I'm used to like the right-hand drive. If I wasn't used to the right-hand drive, it would be a lot.
I would be a lot fucking scared.
Yeah, it'd be a lot sketchier. But yeah, it's whatever.
Pulls a little bit to the left.
It definitely, it's so much smaller than the GTR.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Wheel's pretty nice. I do like the wheel.
The S15 wheel. Yeah.
Yeah, the S15 wheel. It's small for like an OEM wheel. I am so used to being like.
Where? I don't do anything now. D123.
But if people are wondering what it looks like behind the wheel driving around an S15, this is what they're getting from this video. And hey, we have working AC. So that's pretty good. Have you ever had any problems with this thing?
No, not at all. Nothing. I never, left me stranded or anything, so.
That's good.
I mean, that's what I expect from a low mile SR so far, so.
True. True. It's pretty nimble.
Yeah.
So how fast is this thing?
Huh?
How fast is this thing?
Oh, geez, man. I don't know.
I'm guessing you don't care if I punch it at some point.
I don't care. It's automatic. So. I mean, go ahead.
Oh, yeah. We're getting a feel for it, though. Do you get a lot of looks in this car, or not really?
I guess for the people that do know about.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like the GTR, you get a lot of looks in it because it's like, oh, Fast and the Furious. So even if you're not kind of into cars, it stands out. Right. Where I can see this. Yeah, if you're not into cars, you probably don't give this thing a second.
I mean, it's lowered, so it look, obviously it's a street car, I guess you could say. But to most people's eyes, it just looks like a normal car. Right. If they don't pay attention, it looks like an Impala.
Yeah.
Or no, my bad. A
Grand Prix, yeah. Mine's the Impala.
Yeah.
So people in that camera can see how stupid I look driving around them like this. It's all for you guys.
Hey man, you gotta do it for the two. You gotta do it for the two.
Let's see if we can turn around. Maybe.
There you go.
All right, this is probably the hardest acceleration in my life. Oh, it's a red light. I could probably still floor and be at like 20.
Yeah.
But there's a red light, so we can't. Just to like 20 kilometers. Punching it right now, punching it. 7,000 RPM red line. That was first gear.
Yeah.
That was a long first gear.
It is.
That was a long first gear.
I don't know about these automatic ones, but you should try it now. This button. It's right here. I don't know what it does, but I read online
we don't know what it does.
About holding gears longer, so if you want to punch it again and see what happens.
We can try.
Hitting down means snow mode. Which one has
snow mode?
Yeah, I don't. That's what
Why does this car have a snow mode?
In Japan, man.
I guess.
We didn't work out these cars, so.
I guess.
Oh,
yeah, he's looking. Broken neck.
You should get a little tally on the side in the corner too.
Broken neck tally. All right, we'll wait till this guy passes. All right, giving her the beans. That's 60. I'll put a timer up there.
Oh.
What is it supposed to be, like 9 seconds?
It's a turtle. Like,
no, I'm saying I think it's legitimately like 9 seconds.
Like a 9-second car?
A 5-second car? Instead of 65 seconds. Well, I mean, if it's got 140 horsepower, with an SR, you probably have like, what, like 250 at the wheels after you get done doing your modifications?
Something like that, yeah. 250 for the swap.
That's like 150 more wheel horsepower than what it has right now.
Right.
So it would haul out pretty good.
I'm hoping.
This is honestly like a really good daily driver though. Like it's just.
It is my daily.
I know. I mean, just like with the automatic though, it's like.
There's not. It's less things to worry about, man. Forget it. I don't even have to swap it anymore.
Yeah, forget swapping it, man.
You just convinced me that I shouldn't even swap it. Just use automatic.
Put like a DSG in here, like a dual clutch, get some flappy paddles going on.
And just buy another one and then swap that one.
I'll take the camera there. Well guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I know that like 70 to 80% of my viewers who are watching these videos aren't even subscribed to the channel. So I see you, I know who you are out there. Hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate that. And as usual guys, we will catch you all on the next video. Peace.